Our Soul Sister involvement with the CSEC awareness is really important because most of us are professional women who've overcome a lot of different things, but we've never been trafficked, or we've never been taken away from our freedom and being able to be us. And so it's really important for us to give back and make sure that the community is aware of all these things that are happening, especially in Oakland, being that it is the epicenter for the county to traffic women and children and men as well, and boys. And it's really disheartening to know that this type of things happen and it's not really seen as an important thing around the community.
The police department really viewed children who were exploited as criminals, right? They were prostitutes, and they didn't have this perception that because they were under the age of 18, they couldn't formally consent to sex anyways, and therefore they weren't at all criminals. They were actually victims, and they were victims of rape and child abuse and neglect. So, but with organizations like CSEC, that they were
a situation that sounds too good to be true. You know, I'm being offered this amazing job, and I'm going to be paid, 5 times what people in my community make. I also don't happen to have any formal education or any skills. Well, it's the community's responsibility to say, I think we should probably look into this situation.
As they grow, they say that an average child that's being trafficked will try to leave 6 to 10 times before being successful at leaving. And so when you think about just the layers of trauma that is experienced, and then on top of that, the amount of isolation from friends and families, the stigma within social settings like churches or schools, it's just layers upon layers. The ineffectiveness of law enforcement to keep them safe, per se. And so it just continues on, and it's extremely isolating.
Hi, my name is Jenny Ton, and I am a board member of Soul Sisters. I believe why Soul Sisters is critical in supporting the CSEC community is because, one, there are sisters. Majority of sexually exploited children often are girls. And for us as Soul Sisters, we're a diverse group of women professionals who are passionate about combining not only just beauty but holistic health into empowerment and advocacy for our communities that are disenfranchised, such as our CSEC communities. And oftentimes people have a misperception that sex trafficking is not American or a national issue. They often associate it as an international issue, which it is, but actually it's growing rapidly in the United States. California has the highest rates of the CSEC community growing, so it's become an epidemic, and we feel that it's a sense of our responsibility as sisters to support other sisters, and even our brothers too, who are also victims of being sexually exploited as well, to bring these statistics and this epidemic to light. And that's one of the reasons why I believe it's important for myself and my sisters and Soul Sisters to be a part of this empowering movement, and I think it's just absolutely necessary.
Thank you everyone so much for coming. My name is Christine Shayeste, founder of Soul Sisters, Inc. We are a 501c3 nonprofit organization based out of the San Francisco Bay Area. Tonight we had a panel of experts on the topic of sex trafficking here in Oakland and beyond, and we are just so grateful that everyone came out from the community to support the efforts of Soul Sisters and several organizations around the county and community that are working hard towards preventing and ending sex trafficking here on our streets. If you'd like more information on the work that we do, please visit www.soulsisters.org, and also visit missy.org for more information on the work they do here in the community of Oakland. Thank you all. Look forward to working with you soon.